Hi, welcome to my next video. I have already started what is mean stack and explain mean stack in big picture and how mean stack works, and already installed all the required software for this course. So now I will start with building a real-time project. The real-time project will be made by Angular frontend, Node and Express backend and MongoDB database. Now I will start with Angular. Angular frontend. So in previous video we have already made an Angular app, my first app. I'll repeat that one and I will make a new Angular application and show you how to make that once again. So let's start. So I have made the previous Angular application with the use of the system terminal. Now I will not use the system terminal. I will use the Visual Studio Code terminal. This is the Visual Studio Code. If you install the Visual Studio Code, you will see a screen like this. So after that, if you click on this terminal and click on new terminal, you will get a terminal, that is Visual Studio Code terminal. So you can work in this terminal as system terminal only. So I will make an application for student portal. So for making student portal, what was the command for creating a Angular app? Do you remember? Yeah, that is ng new. If you don't remember, please see the previous video. And I will make a student portal. So student portal. So if I'll click enter, it will create my application and it will take couple of minutes for creating this. So we'll wait. And it is asking some, do you want to enforce to striker type checking and bundle budget in WordPress? Yeah, simply click yes. Do you like to add Angular routing? Yeah, we do want Angular routing because routing is very important. I'll explain later what is routing. Now you just understand that routing is for going from page to page. After clicking a button, you are redirecting to another page. Another page will be opened. That technology is called routing. So I'll click yes. I'll choose CSS as my style sheet because I will do CSS styling. So I'll click enter simply. Yeah, so the building of Angular application is completed. So now I will import this file. This file is already downloaded in c/user/my own directory. So I'll simply go to file and open folder, and it is already in my directory. It is not in your directory. Please go to that. And what was my application? My application was student portal. Yeah, that is student portal. So I'll select folder. So it will come to your Visual Studio Code. So open terminal again, and it will go to your student portal directory. No need to use cd space that command. So now I will simply type ng serve. It is asking for some policies. I will simply click yes and wait a couple of minutes for running the application. It is compiling and taking time. Yeah, once it is done, you will get compiled successfully. So I will go to my browser and write localhost 4200 localhost colon 4200. So let me so let me tell you first the total the full URL is http colon double slash localhost 4200. If that doesn't work, just go for the big URL. So student portal is running. So up to this we have done in our previous video. In the previous video we got the same page. So we should change this, right? So we have to make our own website. That is not our own website, that is some inbuilt template that is already added to our application. So for changing this, I will simply go to my Visual Studio Code for changing the code and source app and app.component.html. I'm telling you that this app.component.html is the HTML page that is serving in the in the Chrome website, our localhost 4200. So I will simply erase all the code and I will write simple HTML code like h1. Inside h1 tag, our app is running. If you don't know HTML, please learn HTML from W3 schools or anywhere. This is not a HTML course. I am just telling you that h1 is an HTML tag. Inside that tag, if you write whatever you write, it will come in big font. Okay, so just go to the browser, you will see our app is running. This is a very simple code. Our app is running. So this is coming in very big font. So if I will open the developers tool, Control Shift and I, it will show some app root element is there. It is not showing that our app is running or some h1 tag. It is showing some app root tag. So from where the app root tag is coming, what is the app root tag? So for knowing this, we have to learn how how this application is running. So the first HTML page, I have already told you that this is an Angular is a single page application. So what is that single page application and what is the single page? So if you are making a wrong knowledge about it, that app.component.html page is the single page that you are serving, then you are wrong. The single page which is serving in the browser, that is called index.html. This one, because the app root that is coming in the browser, app root, that is this app root only, this app root. So how this app root and our code, app.html code, our app is running, how these two are connected? So for learning this, we have to learn what is component. Component is small building block. I will explain in my next video what is component in big picture, but now you just learn that component is a small building block of Angular website. So if this is the app component is small building block. So that building block is coming in our website, our app is running, that is written in the app component.html. Any building block, I mean component has mandatory two files, that is app.component.ts and app.component.html. So if you go to the app.component.ts, there you can see there is a selector that is called app root, and there is a template URL app.component.html. So what are these? Selector and template URL. If you see the selector, that is the tag only. You can see app root inside a tag. So this selector and this tag, they are connected. Wherever you write inside a tag, you should write inside the selector. Understand? And in the template URL, you should write the HTML tag whatever you are serving. And inside the HTML tag, you should run you should write your own code, own HTML code. So I will go to another file that is called main.ts, that is served, that is served, which is served fast. This is the .ts file which is run fast when you are running the Angular application. This is for running this application, we have to run another method, or we have to run another programming file also, that is called app.module.ts. This module.ts file is like configuration file. Inside the module.ts file, you have to import the app component. App component means this HTML and TS component. You have to import the app component, and after importing the app component, you have to tell the Angular that you are using this app component inside the inside the declaration. So inside ng module and declarations, you have to clarify that you are using the app module, and you have to declare it inside the bootstrap array also. So you are telling Angular that yeah, I am using this app component. So I will go to main.ts file. Inside the main.ts file, I have written a method, which is that method or function, that is platform browser dynamic. This function is serving this index.html. Can you understand? This is serving this index.html. Bootstrap module, that is another function, bootstrap module app module. Which is that app module? That app module is that app.module. If you go to the app module, you can see this is app module. Okay. So with the help of app module, this is serving the index.html. So if this got approved inside it, it will simply go to the app module.ts, and it will ask the app module.ts, hi app module, I have a tag approved. So where is that approved? From where I will get approved? Then the app.module.ts will tell that, brother, the approved is a Angular builded tag of app component. The app component is declared inside me. So you just go to the app.component.ts. It will go to the app.component.ts, see the selector app root, and then go to this HTML page that is declared here. And it will go to this application page, and this will serve this. This is the main motto or main fundamental thing of Angular. How the Angular website is serving. Now, in the upcoming video, I will tell you what is component in big picture, and I will explain component with a running website. So now it is bye.